So you made this this banner yourself, have you? Yes, that's pretty impressive. That, can I just turn it round so I get the full view of it? See, you're not part of STAG, are you? You're not part of the tree campaign.
I'm part of it as far as this goes.
Yeah, well, obviously, yeah. But I've not seen your face before out campaigning.
No, at Christmas.
Mhm.
And I misplaced telephone numbers. I went into hairdressers at the door. And I got it off a lady. She said, leave it with me, I've not got my phone on me. She said, but I'll phone you from home to the hairdressers. And she phoned through with someone's telephone numbers. And I misplaced them. But all that's been on my mind is
yeah, I mean, there's so many different issues, and that's one of the ones that people are really upset about. Is, you know, these are memorials as well as living trees that are doing a lot of good for us. And what do you think about what do you think about the council chopping them down and planting new ones in parks?
I'm
like
disgusted with them. They're sacred, them trees. And they're telling you a pack of lies in town hall. I had this outside town hall as well. I had this to sit on steps in town hall. And she says people would trip over it. I went for a cup of tea and they'd moved it. They'd moved that. So I went in and said, who's there took this protest?
So, do you have a military background yourself?
I do, yeah, 5 of them. That's why I'm in on it.
Say again?
5 from our close family.
Fun.
My father's brother killed in First World War fighting with Australians. And my father at Dunkirk, expeditionary force. He was at Dunkirk. My brother, 7 years older than me, after war, national service, RAF. My other brother were in Royal Signals. I was in Armoured Corps.
Okay.
National service. You didn't only just do your national service, you had to do 3 years after you'd done your 2 year at a camp for 3 years, reserves.
Yeah, my father.
Pardon?
My father was down in Windsor, a Grenadier.
Aye.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. But, people try to make out it's just tree huggers that are interested in saving these trees, and it's all politically motivated. But it isn't. You know, there's that dimension to it as well. There's the ecology. There's the memorial value of them. There's the history of them.
Yeah.
They're really important.
They told me that these trees had been replanted. They'd been took down. But I know, but if they cut them trees down, they'd find out rings.
Yeah.
Trees.
Yeah.
They found out how old they are.
I forget who it was now, but one of the councillors said that almost all the trees were post World War One, and that's just not true.
Not true.
Yeah.
Well, it could be because I mean it just depends when they planted them trees after.
No. There were the majority were planted in memorial of the First World War, not the Second World War. And they were planted. If I understand it correctly, I'm not an expert on this. They were planted before the war finished. They were one of the earliest war memorials. Yeah. But I mean, they're talking about planting trees in parks in Hillsborough. I mean, and they're
trees it's on sacred ground. If this happened in London about a memorial, there'd be something ought to play in Parliament.
Yeah, I was talking to someone that was. I was handing out leaflets earlier on, and I spoke to a woman that was just come up from London, and that's what she said. She said if this was happening in London, well, I don't think she said that it was hell to play, but there'd be serious consequences.
Yeah.
But because it's Sheffield, they seem to think they can just lie to us and get away with it. Yeah, it's a very, very nice, banner. That.
That's how I feel.
Yeah.
We're looking for a printers.